what a minister sees.
Chair, a minister holds that office in trust. A minister must be trusted. A minister has a duty to give the right information to Kenyans. As we will be demonstrating, this minister, my good friend, the Honorable Mthika Linturi, on this case of fertilizer, he gave the Kenyan public information over the same subject, 4 versions. Initially, there was no fertilizer. There is no fake fertilizer. Initially, there's only 3,000 bad fertilizer on the market. But the minister went ahead to even tell Kenyans about soil moisturizer. Honestly, we shouldn't have reached here. We should not even be discussing this matter, because Kenyans need to discuss the minister. Kenyans need the truth and nothing but the truth. As we will be demonstrating, this is not the first time we have scandals in that ministry. As part of the reasons why, if you go through a submission, the minister should be impeached. This is not the first scandal in the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development. We had the sugar scandal. Kenyans kept quiet. Someone had to speak, Madam Chair, about this. We have a lot of trust in this committee, because as members of parliament, we are people's representatives. And the good thing, when I look around, composition of this committee, most of them are from agricultural zones. Most of them. Kenyans are watching us. I have absolute trust that we are going to get to the bottom of this. And if 149 was not enough, but the minister was waiting for 250, we shall give it. We shall give him. We shall give you, Mr. Minister. We shall give you, because the mood in the country, the mood in the National Assembly, Madam Chair, is so sweet. It's so sweet that Kenyans are tired of such things. We have now higher cases of diseases. Some of them as a result of this. We are waiting for reports from medics. To what extent has the fertilizer affected humanity? Where it come from? Madam Chair, there's no maize anymore. We don't have it. I don't know what this government will do. I don't know. Even if Honorable Nduri were to remain, I don't know what he will do. I don't know what he will tell those people from Western, from the Rift Valley, from the highlands of Kenya, from central Kenya. I do not know, because we don't have food. Kenya is glaring at a catastrophe. Courtesy of an individual. Be the Yonah, be the biblical Yonah. When the ship was sinking, Madam Chair, when the ship was sinking, because of one person, Yonah opted to drop himself in the waters. It is a moral question, Honorable Minister, for the sake of Kenyan people. Whether, assuming this motion does not go through, assuming, how will you serve? Where will you go? Where will you discharge your mandate? Kenyans are bitter. Be the biblical Yona, and we shall respect you. That's all we are asking, Madam Chair. Not that anyone hates the person of Mithika Linturi. No. As I said, he's my friend. His best friend and a lawyer, Gitonga. We share a social group called the Chairman's Lodge. He is my wakili, the man seated on his left. He is a family friend. I've been to his place when I was campaigning. These are the people who came to my home. So there is nothing personal. Nothing absolutely, Honorable Chair. Nothing personal. Nothing. In fact, we are saving him. We are saving him. Because how will you serve? How will you go to Bumula? How will you go to Ahero? How will you go to Mbere, Embu? How will you go to Kiambu? How will you go to the food basket of this country, Trans Nzoia? How? And as a minister, you must go. How? Those Kenyans will not allow you because they are angry and not happy. They are angry.